Hey, I'm back and Happy New Year once again. So, from the title, you guys got to know that today it's a first haul in my channel. So, I'll be doing a West Side haul, and there's a little story. Like, first of Jan, they have started their sale, end of season sale, and I didn't know actually. But I went to Forum Mall that is in Kormangla, Bangalore, and there I saw the sale going on, and that's like I couldn't control myself. So I just went to the store. I was actually looking for a good top or t-shirt kind of thing, but I ended up buying things from their lingerie section. So I got these. I hope you like this video and found it helpful. I'm not sure about the price tag in other states. Like I think in Bangalore you will find these things on same discounted price. So please go and check out, visit their store. I think this whole month there will be sale. And if you already done your shopping from Westside, then do let me know what all you have purchased, or if you have done from other brands also. In lot more places you will find sale. So do let me know what all you have purchased, and if you are gonna visit in next week or in any of the date in Jan, then what you are gonna purchase, and like what you are going to purchase for yourself and for your family, do let me know. So I got this camisole, this is the one, and I got this in I think 200 rupees, yes, 199. So its actual price was 299, but I got this in 199, which is obviously 100 rupees save. And this is from Wonderlove. It's I think their in-house brand, but it's nice. You can if you haven't used Wonderlove inners, then you can definitely try. And it's with little anchor and heart print. Yes, this one. So I just love white. Yes, anything with white, black and red. See, that's why I have red lipstick also. So the next one is a nightwear, like it's a t-shirt and short. So I got this as a set. It's a set actually. So this is from the brand Intima. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing correctly or not. So this one I got it, this set I got it in 499 rupees, but its actual price was 799, so 800. Like there's also, I saved around 300 rupees. So this is the one. It has a big star in between like this, and it's written also star. Rockstar they should write. I love this. It's in light grey color, and they have a pink star here, and inside also they have pink star here near the neck area. So this size is small, and this is the short. It's very cute, pink with white stars, and this is the length, and it has a pocket backside, small pocket. You can't keep anything, I think so, but it's cute. Then I got this bra. I think this shape is called demi-curve. I'm not too sure because I didn't do any kind of research. So I just loved it, and because of its color and the floral print. See, this is the one. It's really nice. It has this floral print and it has this lace also here. I think this shape is called demi-cup, and it's lightly padded and without wire. It's not with detachable strap, so you can't wear this with off shoulder or cold shoulder top, but definitely with normal tees you can easily wear, or with salwar, with like sari also you can easily wear this. I don't know, I love this color. I don't have any inner in this color, so I just love this color. And oh, I forgot the price. So this is from Wonderlove also again, and I got this in 499, that is 500, and the actual price is 899. It's written here. So that's it. It's written balconette bra. I don't think it's a balconette bra, but balconette bra is different. I got one balconette bra. It's written Alice NWP balconette bra. I'm not too sure. So let me know if you guys know what's this cut I'm showing you once again. This is the cut. I think it's called demi-cup bra. I think so, or t-shirt bra you can say. So okay, I might be wrong. I got another bra that is, I think, balconette bra. This is the one. I just love this color. I think I love this one more than that one. I think so. Yes. So I'm holding it correctly or wrong? Yeah, this is the one. And it has a black strap. I like bra with black strap because you can wear it most of the thing. I think so. Or like if you're wearing a without strap bra, then no problem. But if you are wearing with some dress, like it has a lace, and you can easily wear inside that. So let me check the name, what it's written. It's also written balconette bra, but they're different. They're totally different. So I think that called demi-cup bra, and this is balconette bra. Why I'm telling balconette bra? Like demi-cup has a shape like deep V-neck, but balconette is like this. It will give you a little, like it will give you little lift, and at the same time it will hold your size. So it is also with lightly padded, and it has underwire, so you can understand, I hope. And I don't know, I like this color. It's dark purple. It is purple. I am very bad at describing colors and all, so spare me. I think it's called purple, right? So yes, and it has a lace again here with the floral prints. I just love this. And this back side is transparent, little transparenty, and also polka dots type print. I'm very bad at explaining things. So it's written it's dark wine color. Okay, we'll go for dark wine color. So I got this in 399 rupees, and it was actually for 999 rupees. So oh my god, so I think this is like around 60% discount I got. Oh my god, see, I just love this bra. You can easily wear with any dresses. I think that will be perfect. And it's written here the price. I don't know if you guys can understand. It's written here. So the last thing I got is small cute little panty. Yes. So why I got this? Because it is seamless. I think this style got seamless. Like like your panty line won't come out. So you can easily wear with tight dresses like pencil skirt or tube dresses, or you can easily wear with those kind of things. And I got this as flat 35 off. So it was actually 449, but I forgot what was the just flat 35 off, so around 240 or something like that, I think so. If you are planning to buy any kind of things which I have showed, then definitely visit website. You will get it in good discount, good deals actually, and I hope you find your right size. See you on next Monday, and if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and stay happy. Bye bye.